Good afternoon. Thank you for tuning into the home of Nanny Dog 314 with your talk man is Gerald Burst. Hey, player, somebody send me a video, right? You gonna use this guy who on YouTube, Black Dog jumped out the box, and then his other red male took it up the butt top from another male. So can't use him, sir. You used one of the. You could have used anybody else against me except him, bro. What did you think you was doing? His opinion don't mean nothing. He ain't the legend of no dog. When your dog take out the butt, that downgrade your breed of dogs, sir. That downgrade them. So can't use him. Second of all, dude, why don't you buy your dog some collars and take them choke chains off of them? You know what I'm saying? This my band dog puppy looking good, bro. He know what walking is. Last time I found out, your dogs couldn't tell me what walking was. What is walking? We going from box to box. You know what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, bro, get your game up. You trying to use some other guy that don't even believe your dog is a pit bull if it ain't come from him. So, okay. Second of all, we ain't even gonna talk about pit bull. We're gonna talk about working dogs. This guy got on his thing, working dogs. When have y'all seen them dogs work? You haven't seen them work. So you can't put work in if you never showed them dogs walking or none else. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Tiger. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come here. Come here, man. Come here. Come here, big boy. Good boy. Come on. And it's a band dog, sir. Oh, they guard dogs. They ain't barking at nothing. You ain't show nothing, bro. Not one red thing, bro. Come on, Tiger. Talking about my dogs. At least I test. At least I know my dogs. This ain't nothing but a puppy, sir. Come on, Tiger. A puppy. Beautiful puppy. Beautiful attitude. Already got his guard stinks in him. Oh, these gonna be working puppies. You don't know what the puppy's gonna be. They parents ain't even working dogs. Come on. Come on. Okay. Good confidence. Look at the little boy. Tail stay up. Confidence. He ain't scared. Rain, ski, don't matter. You see it's wet on the ground. It dried up, but the job still got to be done. Oh, and this a horse leash. Go heck along, thick. So soft. My little puppy. Good boy. You's a good boy. Watch. Come on. What is it? Where is it? Where is it? Good boy. Good boy. That good boy. That's good boy, Tiger. Come on. Talking. That boy funny. That boy funny. The spokesman he used is the guy who dog jumped out the box and the other male got screwed in the butt. Okay. You bet off using the Chihuahua breeder than him, or a bully breeder rather than using him. Come on, brother. You don't remember his background or something? you and your team looked up my background. You don't remember his background? It's on YouTube. His dog jumped out the box and one got screwed in the butt by another male. So, let's keep it 100. Come on, Tiger. Let's keep it 100. Hold on. Come on. I got you. Come on. Come on, I got you. You got me, I got you. You hear me? You got me, I got you. You good? You good? I know a lot going on. You like to go, but you gotta pay. You gotta be able to deal with that kind of stuff, cords and everything you need to deal with. Even though he'll hesitate from sounds, his tail ain't between his butt. That's what I'm looking for. Come on. All right, you guys.